I've been training doctors for more than 20 years. I do believe we've had more than 1,600 plastic surgeons run through Proctorships and training sessions here. I'm Dr. Charles Randquist from Stockholm, Sweden. I'm a plastic surgeon at Victoriakliniken, and I've been in private practice now for close to 30 years. And it's with a great pleasure I want to share some of the insights regarding the Mia training and Proctorships. Why are these trainings so important? Well, it enables the surgeons to see live. Seeing the patients walk in and out of the OR, having the procedure performed under local anesthesia, with the patients talking to the surgeon while the surgery is performed, not cutting the muscle, nerves, vessels, lymphatic system. With painkillers maybe 1-2 days, no antibiotics, returning to family and work the next day and sport activities within 3 weeks. They get the possibility to talk and meet these patients live. And I do believe that makes the whole journey and makes them understand the benefits, short and long term, with tissue preservation.
I'm Łukasz Majnowski, I'm a plastic surgeon from Poland. I work in Bydgoszcz. So my adventure with Mia started almost 2 months ago when Dr. Charles came to visit us in Poland in our plastic surgery clinic. And I can remember it very good because we've all been so stressed about the new procedure coming out. But when he came, he was able to calm us down, and I think everything was so smooth and everything went great. Like coming here and seeing how the procedures are being done alive in Stockholm is something amazing. It helped me to notice some new details I haven't noticed before. So I can really recommend everyone to come here and see how Dr. Charles and his team are performing the surgeries.
I do believe this might be a great opportunity for anyone who participates in these training to understand the benefits of a concept that's streamlined, standardized for best safety short and long term, and best quality of life for the patients. Seeing is believing, and participating in these trainings is exactly that. And once you've seen it, you will understand this is the future, and hopefully the future even for you.